Number 20, BMW Connected Ride. Smart glasses, all right. Kicking things off with something James Bond would rock. BMW Connected Ride smart glasses. Now these might look like your regular sporty shades, but inside, they're loaded with next-level tech. When paired with the BMW Motorrad Connected app, these glasses display a mini heads-up display right in front of your eyes, showing you real-time speed, gear position, navigation prompts, and even speed limits. 10 hours of battery life, an ambient light sensor, clear and tinted lenses included, and yep, they've even got an RX adapter for prescription users. It's like having a futuristic dashboard right on your face. Number 19, Samsung Smart Windshield. Ever wish you could check your GPS, see who's calling, or get notifications without taking your eyes off the road? Well, Samsung's Smart Windshield makes that happen. This groundbreaking gadget connects to your smartphone and projects directions, call alerts, texts, and more, right onto your windshield. You won't need to glance down at your phone ever again. Use the dedicated app to auto-reply to messages saying, "I'm riding, hit you back later." It's not just about convenience, it's a serious safety upgrade. Number 18, Hel Motorcycle Airbag. Now let's talk safety. Hel's Motorcycle Airbag is a total game changer. This smart wearable detects dangerous situations and inflates in milliseconds, wrapping you in a protective cocoon if things go south. Whether you go for a jacket, vest, or full airbag suit, this system integrates smoothly with your regular gear. It's one of the smartest ways to ride protected without sacrificing comfort or style. Number 17, QuadLock 360 phone. Mount, let's be honest, our phones are our maps, our music, our lifeline. But holding it while riding, not a vibe. Enter the QuadLock 360 phone mount. It clamps your phone securely to your handlebars with a rock-solid locking system and flexible arm. Bonus, you can add an extension arm to capture epic GoPro-style ride footage. Say goodbye to risky one-handed rides and cracked screens. Number 16, Signalwear Smart Gloves. Night rides in bad weather can get sketchy real quick when visibility drops. That's where Signalwear gloves come in. They've got built-in LED strips you can activate just by rubbing your thumb and forefinger together, signaling turns and lane changes without moving your hand from the grip. Made from premium cowhide leather, moisture-wicking lining, and gel palm grips, these gloves mix safety, tech, and style like a champ. Number 15, Bluecat Moto Smart Sunglasses. Think of these as sunglasses with a brain. The Bluecat Moto glasses offer a heads-up display inside the lenses with turn-by-turn arrows and navigation maps, so you don't have to look down at your GPS. With Bluetooth voice commands and the option to mute notifications for those serene, distraction-free rides, these are perfect for long road trips. Night mode and long battery life are just icing on the cake. Number 14, Thinkware Sports M1 Dash Cam. You know bikers love recording their rides. And the Thinkware M1 Dash Cam is built for just that. This beast records crisp 1080p HD videos with Sony's Starvis sensor and electronic image stabilization. It's waterproof, low light ready with Super Night Vision 2.0 and mounts easily. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can send ride videos straight to your phone via its app. No more messing around with SD cards. Number 13, Shuy NXR 2 helmet style, safety, and insane performance. The Shuy NXR 2 helmet delivers it all. Lightweight, aerodynamic, packed with ventilation, and crafted to the highest safety standards. Whether you're on a Sunday cruise or a long-haul tour, this helmet's a winner. Number 12, Abus Granite Detectto X Plus. Lock, let's be real, protecting your bike is non-negotiable. And the Abus Granite Detectto X Plus 8077 lock is basically a personal bodyguard for your ride. This little beast is forged from hardened steel and comes armed with a super loud 100 decibel alarm that triggers the moment someone tries messing with your bike. Here's the clever part. It only arms itself when properly attached to your brake disc, so no annoying false alarms when you're just moving your bike around. It's also weather-resistant, has a built-in LED status light, and boasts a long battery life. If you've invested in your motorcycle, protect it like it deserves. Number 11. Ride Vision Collision. Alert system staying visible is crucial, but being aware is everything. Enter Ride Vision, a super smart collision alert system made just for motorcycles. It uses discrete, mirror-mounted visual alerts to warn you about potential hazards. 2 wide-angle cameras continuously record your rides while feeding you collision risk alerts in real time. The system's linked to an app that tracks all your ride stats and footage too. It hooks directly to your bike's battery, auto-starts when your ignition's on, and sips power like a phone charger. Seriously, this is the future of riding safely. Number 10. Denali Sound Bomb. Air Horn. Let's face it, stock motorcycle horns are pretty weak. Ever tried getting a distracted driver's attention with one? Good luck. That's why the Denali Sound Bomb air horn is a game changer. It pumps out a monstrous 120 decibels, louder than most car horns, guaranteed to cut through traffic noise and close windows. It also looks sleek and integrates cleanly into most bike setups. If you've ever wished you had a horn people actually notice, this is it. Number 9. Tracky GPS Tracker. You've tricked out your bike with awesome gadgets. Now keep it safe. The Tracky GPS Tracker is a compact, discreet device that attaches easily to any bike, no matter the make or model. It works internationally, comes with an included SIM card, and has no distance limits, so you can track your bike anywhere. You will need a monthly subscription, but with short-term or long-term options, it's totally worth it for the peace of mind. The Tracky app is super intuitive too. You can set up geofences, get instant theft alerts, and even monitor ride routes. Number 8. Battery Tender USB Charger. Adapter, let's be honest, charging your phone or gadgets on the road shouldn't be a hassle. That's where the Battery Tender Quick Disconnect USB charger comes in. This handy little adapter turns your bike's 12-volt battery into a portable power hub for your phone, tablet, or GPS. It installs easily with a quick disconnect setup, offers a solid 2.1 amp output, and is tough enough to handle rough road conditions. Whether you're on a weekend ride or a week-long road trip, staying powered up has never been easier. Number 7. Cena Spyder ST1 Mesh. Intercom riding solo is fun, but group rides? Way better, as long as you can stay connected. The Cena Spyder ST1 Mesh Intercom makes communications seamless. With a single button press, you can link up to 24 riders in a private mesh network, or open it up to virtually unlimited riders in open mode. It boasts a crazy range of 5 miles, 8 kilometers, and includes upgraded HD speakers for booming, crystal clear sound. Bluetooth 5.2 lets you pair your phone for music, GPS, and calls too. No more shouting over wind noise. This is pro-grade ride comms. Number 6. SW Motech DayPack Pro Tank. Bag ever wished for a super convenient way to carry your essentials without cramming your jacket pockets or dealing with bulky saddlebags? Meet the SW Motech DayPack Pro. This compact, stylish tank bag uses a secure magnetic attachment system for quick, hassle-free installation and removal. It's built tough with durable, water-resistant materials. Perfect for everything from city commutes to epic weekend rides. Offering 5 to 8 liters of storage space, it's ideal for carrying keys, your wallet, phone, or even a light jacket. Its timeless, clean design complements any bike, and trust me, once you have one, you'll wonder how you ever rode without it. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 3. Camera. If you're serious about capturing your rides, the DJI Osmo Action 3 is a no-brainer. This 3rd-gen Action cam is waterproof up to 50 feet, shoots breathtaking 4K at 120 frames per second, and features a super-wide 155-degree field of view, oh you don't miss a moment. It comes with dual touchscreens for easy control, horizon steady stabilization for buttery smooth footage, and a quick charge feature that gets you to 80% in just 18 minutes. Whether you're documenting twisty mountain roads or urban night rides, this is the ultimate camera for bikers. Number 4. ProWorks 2-in-1 Paddic stand maintenance days just got a lot easier. The ProWorks 2-in-1 Paddic stand lifts either the front or rear wheel, making it perfect for chain maintenance, tire swaps, or deep cleaning sessions. It adjusts to fit a wide range of bikes, holds up to 250 kilograms, and comes with multiple adapters for versatile mounting. Solid, stable, and easy to use. It's a must-have tool for every home garage. Number 3. Jaomi Portable Air Inflator. A flat tire can ruin your ride, but with the Jaomi Portable Air Inflator, you're always prepared. This compact gadget fits in your backpack or tank bag, packs a digital LED display, and lets you preset your desired tire pressure. Powered by a 2,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, it can pump up to 50 pounds per square inch. Perfect for topping up motorcycle tires, inflatables, or even soccer balls on a weekend stop. Quick, efficient, and seriously handy. Number 2. VioDry Helmet Rain Repellent. Nothing kills riding confidence like a foggy, rain-streaked visor. Enter VioDry, a clever hydrophobic coating that makes water bead up and roll right off your helmet visor. Applied in seconds, it keeps your field of view clear in everything from light drizzle to heavy downpours, giving you better control and sharper visibility when you need it most. Simple, effective, and essential for rainy season riders. Number 1. Fobboike 2-tire pressure monitoring system. And finally, the gadget every serious biker should have. The Fobboike 2TPMS. This smart system connects to your phone via Bluetooth, giving you real-time updates on tire pressure and temperature while you ride. Its discrete valve cap sensors are easy to install and send instant alerts if your pressure dips too low or spikes too high, helping you avoid dangerous blowouts or poor handling. Especially if your bike doesn't have a built-in TPMS, this is a no-compromise safety upgrade you'll never regret. And there you have it. 20 must-have motorcycle gadgets that'll upgrade your ride, boost your safety, and seriously enhance your experience on the road. Which of these gadgets are you adding to your wish list? Or maybe you've already tried a few. If so, drop your favorites down in the comments. I want to hear what you're rocking out there.